So, the past few lessons we've been talking about maps and what we find in maps. And a lot of what we've been seeing are neighborhoods. And we want to talk about our neighborhood, our PS 160 neighborhood, or your neighborhood, what you find where you live. A lot of times we have a library in our neighborhood. This library is called the Brooklyn Library. In the library, there are librarians that help you find what you need, and they also help organize the whole library. PS 160 is our school, and this is where we find people to help us learn and be safe. We have principals, assistant principals, and teachers and crossing guards. These are all people that will help us learn and stay safe. We would also find a police station. A police station is something we can use to help us if we are in trouble or if we need help A police officer is a person who keeps our city safe from crime. Police officers work with the people and the children of the community. Police officers visit schools and talk about safety. We've had police officers come talk to us in our school. A firehouse. Usually neighborhoods have fire stations or firehouses, and there's usually one or two depending on how large the neighborhood is. I know where I live. I have a fire station 3 blocks away from my house. A firefighter is a person who works to keep our neighborhood safe from fires. Firemen risk their lives when trying to help people escape from a burning building. Firemen also respond to school emergencies, like when we have fire drills, and they visit schools. And if you remember when Miss Lucienne got stuck in the elevator in her building, guess who came to help? Firefighters. Hospitals. Hospitals are a very important place for our neighborhoods. This is where we can go to get help if we are sick. This is where we can go and have surgery if we need it, get checkups by our doctors. A dentist is a person who cares for our teeth. They are also a doctor, another kind of doctor, but they are a doctor for teeth. A pharmacist is a person who helps you get your medication from your doctor when you are sick. A pharmacist helps you get better. A veterinarian. A veterinarian is someone in our neighborhood that doesn't help us, but helps our pets. And this is very important to have in a neighborhood because so many people have pets. A post office is also in our neighborhood. Every neighborhood has one. But there are definitely less post offices than there are firehouses. Mail carriers carry mail to our homes, schools, and businesses. Letters, postcards, magazines, and bills get delivered right to our home. Stores. Stores are very important for our neighborhood. Stores provide us easy access for things that we need or things that we want. For example, this Disney store sure looks good, but I know I don't need anything from this Disney store. But then I look over here and I see the supermarket. I would definitely need things from the supermarket. There are all kinds of stores. stores that sell clothes or shoes or food. So boys and girls, I want you to think of all the things that are part of a neighborhood. Stores, post office, veterinarian, pharmacist, dentist, hospital, firefighters, police officers, schools, and the library. I want you to think of all of these things that are in our neighborhood. And I want you to choose one that you would like to do something in, or you have a story about. Think about it and then go to the assignment and see what you have to do.